Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today we are doing another palette bingo, but I thought it would be really fun if we would do it with the Lorac Mega Pro 4. So this is the Mega Pro 4 from last holiday season. I have a feeling in the coming weeks we're going to hopefully see the one for this year, the Mega Pro 5. So I just thought, why not just do this with like a palette bingo with this palette? It's super colorful and fun, but it also has some really good neutrals. And you can still buy this. You can buy this at Kohl's for $59 and you get 32 shades, 16 mattes and 16 shimmers. So it's a really good palette. I love Lorac's formula, and I just feel like, you know, when these Mega Pros come out, I love on them for the coming months, and then I just kind of, they fall by the wayside. So I wanted to just kind of pull this back out and do like a throwback Thursday palette bingo type of thing. I recently did a palette bingo with the Emily Noel The Once palette, and a lot of you really liked that and really wanted me to do more palette bingos. So I have some ideas of palettes to do, but if you want any particular palette, just leave it in the comments down below and I'm happy to do that for you guys. But for now, let's just go ahead and jump into this palette bingo with the Lorac Mega Pro 4. Alright guys, so I got my shades right here in a coffee mug, and we are just going to shake it up. And we're going to pick these shadows out. The first shade that I got was, ooh, Copper Pearl. So this is a beautiful warm shade. I am here for it. It is kind of deep and dark, but not like too dark. It depends on kind of what you pair with it. So I guess that's the fun part of this. Alright, let's see here. Mocha. Mocha is kind of the equivalent of Copper Pearl, only in matte form. Can you guys see that? Like how similar they are? It's just one shimmer and one's matte. So it'll be a very one shadow type of look almost. Shadow. Okay. That's like the black. OMG, you guys. This look is going to be like super smoky. Maybe. Let's see what we're getting with the next couple. We got two more shadows. Come on here, things. Mahogany. Oh my gosh. That is like a, almost like a reddish type of brown. Got a little bit of purple in there. But it's dark. We're working with some dark shadows. I got 3 mattes so far and 1 shimmer. So let's see what else I pull out here. Misty Mauve. Okay, so this is a shimmer as well. It's a little bit more chunky than Copper Pearl. It's kind of one of those like that have like glitter in it. It's a little bit chunkier, but it's lighter. This I think is going to be a really pretty kind of like fall smoky eye look. I am here for it. So let's go ahead and get started with the look. I'm going to pull you guys in a little bit. Okay, I went ahead and I primed my eyes with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and I think the first shade I'm going to take is, do I want to take Mocha or, yeah, I think I'm going to take Mocha just really lightly in the crease. So we're just going to play with that. Like, I mean, these shadows have a ton of kick up though. Like you guys can see Mocha right there, how much it kicks up, so just blow off the palette. I didn't get any of like the really fun shadows, like the colors or anything, but hey, it's just palette bingo. Whatever you get, right? And then you just gotta make it work. I don't know. I just think it's fun. It's kind of challenging, and it's just a little spontaneous. Just never know what you're gonna get. So I'm sure you guys can see that I have a blemish right here. And I have not been in pain the way that this one has felt. It has been terrible. I mean, does anyone else just ever get those like blemishes that kill? Like, I think I messed with this one a little too much, and that might be why, but holy crap, on Thursday at work, so it's Saturday when I'm filming this, on Thursday I was like, I am in pain. Like, this is crazy town. Like, I have just never, I mean, the pain was beyond intense. It was, like I said, it was just nuts. Just crazy. Okay, so now that I have a good base down with Mocha, which was that shade right there, I think I'm going to go in with Copper Pearl, which is the first shade we got. Sorry, it would help if you guys could see. Which is like the shimmery version of Mocha. So I'm just going to take that a little bit on my little small brush. This is like an old Sonia Kashuk brush. It's not one of like the cool new ones that she has out. And I'm just going to run that all over the lid. Alrighty, Copper Pearl is done. So now, so far I've used these two shades. I'm trying to figure out how I kind of want to incorporate these three down here. I think what I might do is I might take Mystic Mauves, which is, or was that what it is? Misty Mauve? Mystic Mauves? I don't know, something. Let me see. Misty Mauve. Couldn't even remember the name. Right here. And almost like, I don't know how it'll look over Copper Pearl because it's a little bit more cool toned where Copper Pearl is really warm. But I kind of want to see what it looks like over it. So I'm going to take a little bit on the same brush that I used for Copper Pearl. And I'm just going to place it like right here. Because it's kind of like the same depth of Copper Pearl, you know? Like it's not necessarily brighter. It's just more cool toned. So a part of me is like, I don't know how it will look, but it might just add a little bit of deepness right here in the inner corner. Kind of does. It's like darker when it goes over Copper Pearl. And then I think I'm going to take it also on like the outer part right here. And maybe just kind of do like a little halo effect to where the gold just really pops in the center. And then it's kind of more cool toned on the outer part of the eye. And the inner part, you know, it kind of like halos it a little. Like that's kind of fun, right? I'm going to add a little bit more Copper Pearl just right in the center to kind of just blend that. So I think I'm going to try to use the black as like a liner, not necessarily on the eyeshadow part, just because I don't want it to get muddy. You know what I'm saying? So right now I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to take the shade Mahogany, which is like the warm kind of brown that we pulled, the darker one. And I'm going to put that directly in the crease area. Just build it up really slow. Alright guys, so on the lower lash line, I think I'm going to take Copper Pearl again because I kind of want to do like a gold shimmery lower lash line. I think that would be really fun, but I am going to have to get real up close and personal, so I'm getting my other mirror here and just see if I can do it. I love the way that gold looks on the lower lash line. It's just something different. I always put mattes down there and I'm like, no, shimmers look so pretty down there. I need to like do more of that. So now on the upper lash line though, I am going to take Shadow, which is the matte black, and I'm going to smudge that as my liner on the upper lash line. I really don't ever do this with liner. With shadow, I always use honestly like a liquid liner or a pencil and then I smudge it out with liner. But honestly, Lorac shadows can handle no pencil underneath. Like they are so pigmented that this black, like look, it doesn't need a pencil and it's just going to be a really soft line. I don't want it to be like super harsh or anything. I just want it to be really nice and soft and blown out. Really not being that precise with it at all. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I feel like it is a little grungy. It got a little muddy. I think with Misty Mauves. Why do I keep wanting to say Mystic? Misty Mauves kind of dirtied it up a little bit. Oh, I have some mascara. Whoops. I don't know. I like it, but like it definitely is a little grungy, so I kind of like threw on some camo to be like grunge vibes today. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!